It's a final shoe, so it changes the direction a little bit. Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you the Narwal Flow tool, which is the AI-enabled mopping and cleaning. Okay, let's take a look at what inside of this station. We have two tanks. One is for the clean water, another one is for the dirty water. Here we have a special metal. Now let me show you how to add the clean solution. So this, you could open this one. Okay, you need to add all of them. Cover this one. Just put it back. The next one I need to show you about is the dust connect. When you take it off, just use this one to take it off, so it automatically closes. It won't get your dust everywhere. It's very convenient. Let's put the tank back. I need to put the water. Let's fill the water. Okay, let's start use this robot to the floor. Do some test. Just one pass, and this is completely clean. You don't have to go over the same spot twice. It saves you so much time. Now let's see how the Flow Wash mopping system works. Most mops spray dirt. Flow Wash doesn't. Its rolling track mop self-cleans in real time, so every pass is truly clean. And this robot comes with the Flow Wash mopping system. It uses clean water while mopping, so you're not just spreading dirt around. You can actually see the difference here. Okay, now let's try some dry mist. We have some dust over here. I will use my old vacuum to do some test and do some compare. Okay, now it takes me about 10 minutes. You can see it still have some dirty over there. Now let's use the new one. Test the Narwal Flow tool. Not cover everywhere. You can see here a whole bunch of cookie. Okay, now let's try with the Narwal Flow tool. So I will use my iPhone to control that. I don't need to set a boundary. Okay, let's do it. Let me put more item there. Let me put more dust. Okay, now we could use the mobile app to control the robot. So let's do here. Control the robot. Okay. Now let's move forwards. Let's turn right. Now let's move forwards. Let's set up my camera. Okay. Move forwards. Go to this way. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Let me set up the camera. Now it's working. Let's click the vacuum. Okay, keep going. Okay, after about 5 minutes, let's take a look. Yeah, so far looks very good. It's better than the old one than my iRobot. Okay, now let's do some test. You can see it's good mapping the corner of the wall. You can see over there. It's very close to the wall. Okay, now let's do some test for the obstacle avoidance. Now I set up a very small area. I put a whole bunch of stuff like the cable, the gimbal, and the case, the shoes. Let's do some test. see how the obstacle avoidance work. Let's start. Okay, it's very close. It's almost hit the shoes, but it changes the direction a little. Okay, this one is a challenge. Say if it could detect the cable. As you can see, it detects them in real time and automatically changes direction, so it won't get stuck or push things around. This is the real test. A cable on the floor. Most robots get stuck here, but watch. It detects it and goes around, no problem at all. You can see it's very precise. It do detect this 4 objects: the shoe, the cable, and the gimbal, and the case. Yeah, so far this one, both the vacuum, the mopping looks very good. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, bye.